What's up, guys? Welcome to GoGo Motoring YouTube channel. So this may be the ultimate German luxury car garage, right? So as you can see here, under one roof, we've got the big German three car luxury makers represented, starting with the BMW here, the 2007 BMW 328i Coupe, the E92, the 2021 Mercedes E350, the W213 generation, and then this, the 2024 Audi A3. So I think you've seen several reviews of or videos of my BMW 328i Coupe and my Mercedes E-Class. And I'm getting ready to release a bunch of videos on this Audi A3. So make sure that you that you stay tuned. But as we all know, Audi, Mercedes, BMW, they've been going at it as competitors for decades at this point, and each of these cars has done a great job of carving out, its niche in the market. So starting with the BMW is the sport solution, right? It's the sport car of choice, the ultimate driving machine, the car that is geared towards drivers, the car that focuses really on performance and sporty and athletic dynamics of the car, a car that makes the driver feel like he or she is one with the machine. And then you've got the Mercedes that's really more on the luxury end of the spectrum, more about luxury, comfort, relaxation. And then the Audi is sort of the third choice. I think that's their niche as the car brand. It's Audi's typically been the car that you buy if you don't want to buy a BMW or a Mercedes. If you're not a BMW guy, if you're not a Mercedes guy, you want to be kind of that unique, different individual. Typically, the Audi is the car of choice. So I think each of these brands has done a great job of kind of establishing a reputation and a niche in the market that they cater to. And if you look at these particular cars too, the 3 Series, the E-Class, the A3, what I find interesting is that if you were going to buy a car from each of these car manufacturers, the cars that you see here are probably the cars that you should buy, right? So if you're looking for an entry-level sports sedan, a luxury sports sedan, a car that's going to be fun to drive, that's going to be rear-wheel drive, that's going to, give you kind of that sporty end of the equation, then the best car that you can go with is the BMW 3 Series. I mean, it's the undisputed king in this particular segment. And for decades, it has dominated the competition. The BMW 3 Series, in my opinion, is a much better car than the Mercedes C-Class that competes with it, and also than the Audi A4, that competes with the BMW 3 Series. So no question about that. And in particular, no question when it comes to this E92. E92, to me, is the ultimate BMW 3 Series, the last of the analog BMW 3 Series. In terms of driver dynamics and fun, I think this particular car just wipes the floor with the newer generation of the 3 Series, and certainly the C-Class and the A4. So if that's what you're looking for, you got to go with the BMW. If you're a little bit more grown up, a little bit more mature, if you have a family, if you need, if you're a busy professional, if you need a multi-purpose car that's going to do everything well, then in my opinion, the Mercedes E-Class is the choice. Obviously the Mercedes E-Class competes against the BMW 5 Series and the Audi A6 or S6. And, I think all three of those cars are great. But, for me, the one that makes the most sense to buy in this particular segment is the Mercedes E-Class, a car that's going to be a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more luxurious than the competition, a car that's just going to be good at everything, So it's a perfect car that can serve many tasks. Obviously, you can use it to live life with your family, with your children. You can use it to, transport, business colleagues and clients and things of that nature. It's just a cool car, and it always looks great. And then, if you're looking to, get into the German luxury car market, if you're kind of looking for your entry-level vehicle, then in my opinion, the Audi A3, the one that you see here, is the one that you should go with, because I don't know. I think they've just sort of nailed it, with this particular car. I mean, when you compare this car to the Mercedes CLA or the hideous BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe, this car I think is the best choice for the job. And I think that it's also a good choice, if you live, Audis in general are a really good choice if you live in climates that have strong winters, ice on the roads. You can equip those cars with the Audi Quattro system, the all-wheel drive system, and it usually, makes the car usable year round, as opposed to, getting a rear-wheel drive BMW or even Mercedes that's obviously not going to be as good in adverse weather conditions. So, yeah, just wanted to share this with you all. And as you all know, I've made extensive videos with the 2007 BMW 328i Coupe. It's been on the GoGo Motoring YouTube channel since day one. And then I've also recently been releasing a lot of videos on my 2021 Mercedes E350. These two cars are my daily co-drivers, so I split my time between these two. And then I have access to this Audi A3 for a bit, and I'm going to be releasing a number of videos talking about this particular car. So I hope you enjoy that, and stay tuned for more videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.